हमको तो पहले असेंबली इलेक्शन है
हाँ ना थोड़े बुतानी भयंकर यहाँ ऑलरेडी इट हैज क्रॉस 190 200 एंड ऑल हांगा सुद्दां बरें जालां 170 जालां सी 8 to 10 7 to 10 could be a little faster then after 3 o'clock maybe too much heat is here but in some booths it has crossed 250 200 and all.
What is the reading?
You are asking me about Margao or South Goa?
First Margao.
I don't think people will normally like assembly people will continue to back. I don't think there should be any problem. As far as South Goa is concerned, people in Goa are by and large following the trend of all India. That means they are probably voting against the ruling dispensation. People do not want this ruling dispensation to come back again across the country. If you see the voting pattern of first phase and second phase, there appears to be a sizable change in the pattern. I think Goa is not lagging behind. Most probably there should not be any problem in getting the south as well as north. Appears.